In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan an APK file for virus on your Android phone. So if you want to download any Android application without using the App Store, then you can use an APK website such as PK Pure to download APK files. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just use this one as an example. I'm going to click on this application right here, scroll down and click on download APK. And this should download the APK on my phone. And once that is done, you will see the APK installer that is completed. So from here, scroll down a bit on the page and you will see the option download APK. So I'm going to go ahead and click and download APK right here. There's a fast download with pure APK. You can click on that and you will see that it's going to quickly download. It's going to pop up on your phone and say, your file might be harmful. That's why I'm going to show you how you can scan those files afterwards. So click and download anyways. And as you can see, the file is finished downloaded. Now, once you're finished, guys, go ahead and open up your another browser and you want to simply type in virus total APK scan. Once you type that in, you will see that a web page will load from Google search called Virus Total. Once you click on that website, you will now have the option right here to upload that file. So click on that and you want to go ahead and choose from your files. From this section, you want to go ahead and choose photos and videos. It might but don't worry about it if the file is not this file type. Just choose this option and it will allow you to find your downloads from here. So what you want to do is just click the menu right here or slide out and click on downloads and you should see the APK file. So as you can see right here, I find it, I click on that and I upload the file. Now once it is added, you want to go ahead and click confirm upload and it's going to upload the file to this app here for scanning. Here you can see it's currently doing this check, and if it finds any error within this file, you want to go ahead and cancel that download, delete the file from your phone, and don't upload and don't install this file on your phone. But as you can see at the moment, it's going through all of these checks and it looks pretty much fine right here. So these are all that you need to worry about, guys. But as you can see, this is pretty healthy and the file is pretty safe to install on my phone. So that's it. If you want to download APK files on your phone, follow these steps to ensure that you download APK files a safe way. And afterwards, you can easily go ahead and install those files on your phone. Now, if you're looking for how you can install those APK files on your phone afterwards, let me show you what to do. Now, you want to go ahead and find that APK file on your phone. So as you know that you will need to open up files. So go ahead and use a search on your phone and type in files. And once you type that in, you want to go ahead and go to downloads. Now you will find the APK file that you download. So if you click on it, you'll receive a pop-up that says to go to settings. You click on that and you will need to allow permission. Now, once you allow permission, you'll now have the option to install the APK on your phone. So all you have to do is now click on install and you will see that it's now installing on my phone. Here you can see that it's currently going through a scan and it's going to go ahead and install that app on my phone. There are times that it will ask you to go through certain permissions, so you want to allow those permissions. If you have app blocker on your phone, you will also need to turn that off in case there's any blocker on your phone. But once you do that, you will see that the application is going to install. I'm going to show you. Let me go ahead and find the app on my phone now. And here you can see I have the app right here. So now when I open the app, you will see now that it says allow. I'm going to click on allow. And now you can see that it's installing. So now you can see that the app is now installing on my phone pretty safely. And it's installing it through the APK fast downloader here. So it's going to quickly install this. And you will see now that it gives the permission to allow this. I'm going to allow that here. And as you can see, if I go back, it's currently installed. Now it's going to pop up and say install. And it's also depending on where you're getting your APK files from as well, right? So the process will be different or a bit more straightforward. But I find APK Pure to be one of the best way how to install APK files on phones. So now you can see that it's done. I can either click and open from here, or if I go ahead and I look to my phone, you can see that I know of the application on my phone here, and I can open up this application on my phone. Pretty safe and pretty easy. And that's it, guys. That's how you can go ahead and download APK files on your phone, on your Android phone, safe and without any problems. Very easy and very simple. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like if you find value in this video and hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel.